If you're one of my patients, you know I'm big on protein. Protein, protein, protein. It's great for energy, mood, muscle building, blood sugar stability. If you're trying to have a good day, help manage stress, you need protein. And so many of us are not getting enough. So the other day when I saw someone on YouTube making a protein pancake in the morning in like 3 minutes, I had to try it. So what I did was I took a quarter cup of the Kodiak mix along with 3 tablespoons of the Vital Collagen, combine that together. And yes, collagen is the best thing to do when you're making any sort of baked good, including a microwaved pancake, because it won't get gummy and clumpy. Add 3 tablespoons of rolled oats, quarter cup of milk, and an egg. I mix that all together, microwaved for 2.5 minutes. 2 to 2.5 minutes would probably be best, just depending on your microwave. And then I topped it with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Turned out to be about 350 calories, 35 grams of protein, just over 4 grams of fiber. So perfect for a 3.5 minute breakfast that takes about, oh, I don't know, hours to digest, keeping your blood sugar stable, keeping your mood stable, making sure you've got the things you need to go, go, go on a busy, busy day. And it looks like this. Okay, moment of truth. Is it good? Smells good. That's good. It's a little dry, but for 35 grams of protein and about 3.5 minutes of my time, yeah, that's a good breakfast. That's going to be in rotation. One thing I might do is add some berries. Blueberries, seasonal dark berries are fantastic for an antioxidant. Also has fiber, a little bit of sweetness. That would be the only critique I have. But yeah, this is a good breakfast. I'm going to recommend this.